Hey everybody, today we're going to make some bacon. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's start with the cure. You're going to use a third cup of kosher salt, a third cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of black pepper.
Better not be using all ingredients. Kick your ass.
And that happened. Perfect timing. Anyway, let's get back at it. After adding the pepper, you want to add 2 teaspoons of pink curing salt. Okay, mix up all the ingredients. Apply the mixture on the pork belly, coating all sides. This curing recipe is good from a 4 to a 5 pound pork belly. What I have here is a 4.5 pound skin on. You do have a choice, skin on or skin off. My local provider, they always sell it with the skin on. I normally leave my skin on, and after I smoke the pork belly, that's when I will remove it. When it comes to the maple syrup, you have a choice. You can add it to your curing mixture and almost like make a paste out of it and then apply it to your pork belly. Or what I do is I apply a decent amount to either side after putting the curing mixture on. Alright, once you apply the maple syrup, next thing you want to do is put your pork belly in a Ziploc bag, or if you have a vacuum bag, you can put it in there. I'm going to use a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag. Now, once the pork belly is inside, you're going to want to take all the air out. Once you have all the air out and the bag sealed, place it in the refrigerator for the next 7 days. You're going to want to flip the pork belly once a day during those next 7 days. Alright, after the 7 days, you're going to take your pork belly, you're going to rinse it extremely well under cold water. This does 2 things. This removes your curing mixture and also cuts down on how salty the bacon will be. Once all the curing mixture is off the pork belly, you're going to place that on a rack and you're going to put it back in your refrigerator for the next 24 hours. Uncovered. Okay, after the 24 hours, we're ready to cook the pork. If you do not have a smoker, you can cook this in an oven. The temperature you want is 200 degrees for approximately 3 hours. You do want an internal temperature of around 150 to 155. I do have a smoker, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm also going to put it at 200 degrees for approximately 3 hours, and I'm still looking for the exact same temperature of 150 to 155. Okay, 3 hours has passed. My pork belly is at 155 degrees. And now I'm going to take it off the smoker. Okay, now that the pork belly is done, I'm going to flip it over skin side up. I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to slowly carve along the skin to remove the skin. I wait until now to remove the skin because once you smoke it and it's cooked to a 150 to 155, the skin comes off a lot easier. Okay, that's it. So what you can do is you can store it in the refrigerator up to a week. Another option is if you put it in the freezer, it'll last up to 2 months. When you are ready to cook the bacon, you're going to cut pieces off and you're going to cook it like you normally cook your bacon. The only difference is this is going to be so much better than what you're going to get from the store. And there you have it, homemade bacon. And let me tell you, it's absolutely amazing. So try it at home, see it for yourself. Thanks for joining me, and please subscribe. Amazing. You gotta try it.